Hey there, welcome back to Pepper Geek. Today is a very exciting day because we received this in the mail commemorating 100,000 Pepper Geek subscribers.
Yeah, so we put together a compilation video of some highlights over the last 3 years of Pepper Geek.
Can't believe it's already been that long, but we've had some really special moments along the way, so take a look at that. But afterwards, we're going to be cracking this open and taking a look at the plaque that's inside. So enjoy.
I'm a little afraid. I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, it's gonna take a second.
You haven't touched the milk? We got you like 2-3 cups of milk here.
So we were able to get a 50 by 50 plot for the entire season for 30. I need a break.
I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, that's gonna suck. That's really gonna suck. It looks ridiculous. It's just like this.
I don't have a plan.
I mean, you put hot sauce in a burrito, it's like peanut butter and jelly, you know? It's
I feel like I'm eating a graham cracker.
Oh,
I love graham crackers. Oh, it keeps building though.
burns like it.
All right. It tastes nothing like graham crackers.
and some of them even have wings, probably from drinking all the Red Bull.
They make carbon filters if you're growing anything that might have a certain smell to it. No comment.
There's orange juice in this. Who would have known?
Oh,
I'm upset. I'm really upset by how hot this is.
make sure that they cool longer so that it doesn't stick, I guess.
These are hot chips, or just chips.
What kind of peppers?
Just bell peppers.
Sure. They're hot. Oh, yeah.
Whoa!
It's gonna be a mess.
Oh my god.
Giggity 70.
I think the word you're looking for is gnarly.
No.
See you guys soon.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time. See you next time. See you next time. So hope you enjoyed that, and now we're so excited to share this experience with you. We're gonna do an unboxing of our plaque.
I'll do this side.
All right. Here we go.
And there it is.
There it is.
Imagine if we spelled it wrong.
Or they put
Wow.
Peppa Pig.
Our #1 competitor. There it is. Look at that. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I've been watching YouTube for probably a decade, and
Yeah.
I've seen so many of these from some of my favorite creators, and never thought we would have one. That's
I know,
for sure.
I know. It's
So-
crazy.
But thank you guys so much. Obviously, we owe all of this to you. We've learned a lot along the way from you guys, and
Yeah.
just had the best time growing peppers.
Yeah, we're excited to continue the journey. We have a lot more in store for the future. It's been an amazing few years, and we're just gonna keep going. And
Yeah, and we're glad that you're here with us. Say hi in the comments if you've been around. Let us know how long you've been a subscriber. You might be a brand new subscriber, or maybe you saw us unboxing and opening hot sauces 3 years ago in our old apartment. Let us know. We're definitely going to be down there and talking with you guys in the comments. So we'll see you next time.